Okay, so I've got some math to do. 69.5 inches along here. Okay, I'm gonna do these 5 inches apart, just shy of 5 inches. And then I'm gonna go on center, since this is 3.5 here, I'm gonna go 1 3/4 here for center. 1 3/4, that's the halfway point. So there's my first spot I'm gonna drill. I'm gonna do the same thing for the overhead. So I've got 1/2 inch rebar, so I need to drill it out just a little bit bigger than what the rebar is. So I'm gonna use a 5/8. Then we're gonna do 36. So I made a mark right there at the 36. I'm gonna cut it off at that. Okay, got this cut to 36 inches. Go ahead and slide the top in first. There we go. All right, getting a bunch of them cut to 36-inch lengths. All right, time to go give them a coat of paint. I pulled them all out to paint them. Now I'm gonna go ahead and install them in the window. Okay, now I'm gonna lock those bars into the wood, and I've got this Loctite construction adhesive. I just had this laying around, so I'm gonna use it. I've got about 3/4 of a tube left. That should do the trick. Okay, I'm just gonna lift this out, kind of set it to the side if I can. Not goofing up that surface too bad. That one's kind of a tight fit. Squirt a little bit of that down into the hole. I'll just take a cloth and wipe off around there. All right, that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.